Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 5 easy last minute nail tutorials for us procrastinators since tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So we're going to start off with our base coat, and I'm using the Sally Hansen Double Duty base and top coat. Go ahead and apply it to all your nails, of course after you've cut them down and filed them. For this tutorial, which I named Simple Elegance, we're going to apply this maroon color nail polish, and I'm going to use these crystals which I got on sale, and just apply it right in the middle after I've done a top coat. Now before you press it down, make sure to just place it where you want it and then commit to it, because once it's down you don't want to mess up that nail polish. For tutorial number 2, we're going to apply this teal color nail polish for all those who don't like pink colors but still want like a bright light color. And we're going to outline a heart, this is why I named it Polka Heart, because we're doing polka dots in the shape of a heart. And you can totally stop there if that's what you want, but for me it's a little bit too simple. And don't worry about the sizes of the dots. The different sizes give it more of a better dimension. I'm just showing you the colors I chose to, I guess, overlap the white dots, just to give it more color. So it won't just be too simple, you know. So I'm just going ahead and dipping and dabbing. That's all I'm doing. And like I said, if you make some bigger than the other, don't worry about it. Still looks good. Now you can stop here if you want to. It's really cute and simple, but for my liking I went ahead and filled it in. As you can see here, I just went alternating colors and sizes, making them tiny, a little bit bigger, and just filling as much as I want. Stop when you reach your desired amount of polka dots. It just, to me, it looks like the confetti sprinkles that you use on cupcakes and stuff, and I thought it was really cute. You're going to then apply a matte top coat to it, and it makes it look just that much better once it's dry. So moving on to the next one, which I named A Knot to Love. It's for those of us who aren't really into like the whole Valentine's Day thing, but we like those deep colors. So what I went ahead and did was just added a heart to the corner there, and I started off by doing 3 little dots, the Mickey Mouse shape, or maybe the Loca, whichever name you want to choose, and then just whitening it on the sides. I didn't do anything to the top center of that heart. I just went ahead to the sides, and then I applied a top coat to all of it, and then a matte top coat to the heart to give it some dimension. Now for this next one, I named it Girly Girl because, as you can see, it is a light pink with sparkle in it, and I went ahead and just added some more sparkle to it. We love glitter, so added just some glitter, and it's the easiest one out of all of them. Very least little struggle. Add your top coat and you're good to go. And those are 4 out of the 5 very easy, cute nail tutorials. For number 5, I named this one 5-minute mani. The reason I named it 5-minute mani because it really just takes 5 minutes to do this um, manicure. You can go ahead and use stickers if you don't want to buy the press-on nails, but this kit is great because they supply all you need with it. You go ahead and you take your nail polish off. If you even have the clear ones, make sure to take it off. Then you use that cuticle pusher they send and push those cuticles back. And then once you're done with that, you're going to um, take each nail and choose the size that fits for you. Now, make sure to choose one that isn't overlapping too much. If it slightly overlaps, that's okay. I'll show you the fix to that. But you don't want it to be under your nail because you can totally tell. And then you're going to take that um, nail file that they provided and you're going to um, file off the little tip that each nail has. You know, everybody knows they're fake, but you don't want them to look that fake. You know, you don't want the cheap. You want to look like you went to a salon and got these nails done, which you will if you go ahead and follow the steps. Now, it does come with instructions, but I'm just quickly narrating for you guys. So you take that alcohol prep pad and you wipe down all your nails. Make sure to take any oils, dirt, whatever it may be off. Then you peel the little thing that covers the sticky tab or the film. You peel it off. You place the nail. So I went ahead and I placed the bottom down, making sure that it's straight. You know, you don't want to press it straight on because you want to make sure it's straight. You don't want no crooked nail. So you bend your fingers forward and it gives you a better idea if they're straight or not than just having it straight out, because sometimes you can get confused. And you press it down and that's about it. You don't need a top coat. You don't need anything else. The good thing about these is that they're already, you know, fully ready for you. Basically, they got the design. So I chose 2 accent nails here. Fortunately, with this packet, they only send me 2 of these. They usually send you 4 um, designs of each design that they may have. So if they have like 2 designs, they send you 4 of those 2 designs. If that makes sense. So there you go. And that's about it. Just what you're going to want to do is file the edges that overlap. You want to do this because if you wash your hands often, which you should be realistically during the day, they will come off because water will be able to get underneath and, you know, soak that stickiness it has underneath the sticky tab, and you don't want that. So you just file it down to where your nail meets the fake nail, and that's about it. Good to go. Your 5-minute mani. Well, I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.